Kelly. How are you? Welcome to my channel and thank you so much for clicking on today's video. If we haven't met before, I'm Kelly. I'm the frugal, fun and crazy mum here on YouTube and the internet and anywhere else I am. And today we're doing clean the kitchen with me. So yes, welcome to the Really Real show. And so there's a bit of a film in a minute to show you what's going on and what is happening. To be completely transparent and honest, so it's Monday 13th September 2:36. I'm just charging my phone because it's dying. And so, you know, there's always the, oh my god, this is gonna take me forever to clean the kitchen. So I thought that I would just put this on and film. Some parts will be like time lapse, fast forward, and especially when I'm loading the dishwasher, because I think no one really wants to watch me do that in slow-mo. So I'm just gonna clean. I'm gonna put on a video on the laptop, which I've got to find, so that's gonna chew up my time. And yeah, just give you guys a bit of motivation that yep, you can do it. I need to finish before at least 6. I have to leave for Zumba, but I also have to cook dinner. So, but I have at least defrosted the meat. I put it in there last night. We're gonna have a stew, so at least that is pretty much ready to go. So without further ado, let us clean the kitchen. I wish I could do this like click thing, like, we'll see if that worked at the end. Didn't quite work. I need like Harry Potter or something. All right, let's go. So I have the leftover shopping that I need to put away because I haven't been able to actually film the grocery haul yet, because as you can see, the bench is pretty messy. We did load and unload the dishwasher last night, but it didn't get reloaded. Otherwise all this would be gone. We still have all our Lego stuff there because I'm still filming some other stuff as well. Clean dishes that have to go away. Some has to get washed, and just general sorting out. It's 3:27 and have you even done the dishes if you're not completely soaked? So I'm going to go change my top. I'm gonna leave those to dry, and I'm gonna get dinner ready soon, but I have my premiere at 4 o'clock, so I'm gonna jump in the chat with you guys. And I also have to film the Coles and Woolworths haul. That's also why I had to clean up, because I had no space. So I'm gonna do all that and I'll be right back. Alright, it's 3:36 and I'm about to make dinner. Cannot believe I'm actually organized. Alright guys, it's 3:59. You probably got cut off a minute ago with the alarm going off my phone. So dinner is cooking, still got to do the veggies, and I have coffee and afternoon tea. So we're going to go do the premiere and we'll be back. Hey everyone, how are you? It's 4:28 and we've just done our premiere, and I want to give a special shout out to Arlene, I hope I'm saying that right, Barbara and Beverly. Thank you so much for joining me in the chat. It was so much fun. And it's so funny to watch myself back. I'm like, hi, we're about to do a premiere, and I'm there like, we literally are in one. So hopefully this video goes up on Monday. What's the date next Monday? The 20th. I hope that's when we're watching this, and if we're not, welcome to my life. Like nothing works out. Yes, crazy. Alright, got all that in there. Alright, I need to just peel some potatoes. Oh, I'm going to put these veggies in for the dinner. Cool. Alright, I'm going to peel these potatoes and get them ready for dinner. Hey, it's 5:03 and I've put away all the dishes. I haven't emptied the dishwasher yet. I need to do that, but I'm about to film grocery haul and then a Woolworths grocery haul, and I need to edit part of it and get it up so it's off my phone. And I'll come back and check in and see how we're going for dinner, because then I have to get ready to go to Zumba. Hey guys, it's 5:26. You see that? And dinner's finished cooking, so I'm actually gonna mash the potatoes. We have mashed potatoes with the stew, so I'm gonna make that so then I can eat. So I've got a good hour before I still start Zumba for that to go down. I usually eat when I get home, but at least it's ready. Might as well eat. Scott's dinner's cooking. That will still need about half an hour by the time for everything together. Filmed a Coles haul, about to film Woolworths haul. And then we'll get ready to go. Hey team, how are we? It's 6:16 and I've just finished filming all my grocery hauls. I forgot some, so film them all, I'll pull them up as videos. But so my kitchen currently, look, actually, you know what, let me turn you around. Ooh. Right, so I got quite a few stuff cleaned up today. Got dinner. This will no doubt probably stay here till I get home. Ooh. Alright, so I got to go to Zumba now, so I will no doubt come back and finish all this, probably not tonight, let's be real, tomorrow maybe. I'll see you when I see ya. Hey everyone, how are you? In full transparency, it's a Friday. I never made it back to this kitchen to finish cleaning and film for you guys. I had plans to clean the oven and part of the dishwasher and the fridge, and yeah, I never made it back here. Tuesday I was just completely flat out. By the time I got home Wednesday, I kind of sat down, and then that was the end of that. Did do a little bit of other baking and things, so that keeps me busy. We do little bits of the dishes to keep us going and clean up that way, but there's so late at night I just kind of do it and then go, oh well. So that's just, it is what it is, yes. And so in full transparency, I've just jumped on to say hello and goodbye because I really need to pull this footage off of my phone so I can upload it in a video for you guys to watch. I hope it has inspired you to not have a messy kitchen, or to jump up and clean. I don't know why people say that. You can clean as I clean. I want to sit there and watch you clean. I don't want to clean at the same time you're cleaning, because I might miss something that you do that I want to do. I get confused by that. Yes, so cool. And usually when I'm sitting there watching someone clean, that's usually my downtime anyway. So I'm not going to get up and clean when I'm yeah. Just ooh. Yes, please give this video a thumbs up to say that you were here, and please leave me a comment below and let me know what kitchen tips or hacks or cleaning you enjoy doing, because yes, I enjoy the cooking and the baking. I don't enjoy the cleaning so much. Yes, just gets busy. Kitchen is the hub of my house with everyone in and out, and I enjoy feeding my family the food, but the aftermath, just a nightmare. Please subscribe to the channel, because we would love to have you as part of our frugal, fun, crazy family. And as always, I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye.